Right, Van brought me by some paint. I'm not sure if it's enough to paint these, but it brought a roller too, so I'll be painting these the next day or so. I was going to do it today, but it's supposed to rain, and I'm going into town anyway, so maybe tomorrow I can paint on these a bit. I know Robert will be by tomorrow to look at all the electrical stuff that goes with it and make sure we got what we need. I'm leaving for a little bit. Hey girl, I'm leaving for a little bit. You're leaving too, okay. Well, it rained a few drops, but it looks like it's clearing up. Getting ready to head into town. We got the stuff for the legs at Ace Hardware. Let's go get back. Let's go pay for this and get back to the truck. 14 burger from In-N-Out. Duck! Duck! They're playing with the string I've put up there. Get it, Duck! Get it, Duck. What are you doing, boy? You glad I'm home? You don't care, you're just gonna play with the string. Guys, we are getting ready to paint these these frames for the solar panels. My buddy Van donated, this is like maybe a half gallon of some outdoor paint. So we're gonna put some paint on these and try to protect them a little bit. I'm not fond of painting, that's for sure, but gotta be done. And this is donated materials. This is repurposed wood. After I get these all done and set up to put the panels in, I'm gonna do a video on them of what it all cost and what we used for repurposing. So but these should work pretty good. How we're gonna set them up, you guys will see when I'm done. I had to get a late start today because it was chilly all morning. Never have been a fan of painting. Now I know these are wood and they're not gonna last a long time, forever, but I didn't want to make something permanent because I just park here. I don't own this property. I didn't want to put them on my van because where I park at I get no sun. So that's why we put them on these. Only took me about 30 minutes. I got all of this side. I got to let it dry, flip it over, do the other sides and the spots that I couldn't get to. But as you can see how this is going to work, the bottom of the solar panel will slide in right here and it'll stand up, and there'll be 4 of them on each one of these planks. And all this wood is all leftover wood from somebody's building something and some repurposed wood. The paint was left over from a project somebody was doing. So I'm seeing how inexpensive I can get these built, get them done. All right, 1 down and 1 to go. And then we'll get to putting the legs on them. But there we go. Let's go see what's for dinner. So I put dinner in the crock pot today. It's just a half of a sweet potato, some green beans, and a piece of pork. That's dinner tonight, guys. I'm going to get off here, take a shower. I've got paint all over my hands, my arms, and I'm going to get off here, take a shower, go to sleep, and we'll paint that other one in the morning. See you in the morning.
2,000 years later.
Okay, one is completely done. I got the legs painted. There's 4 legs. I got those painted. And we still need to do that one. My buddy Van will be over in a bit. We're going to go ahead and put these legs on, and then I'll paint that one. But one down and 4 legs done, so we're sitting good. And he'll be over soon to put the legs on. The legs will be on hinges. And that way, and I got hooks to put in on the back side of this, on the back side of the legs, and chain. And that way I can change the angle of the angle of how the platform will sit by using the legs, and these chains will stop them from opening up all the way, or I can set it to where I can change it and set it to where they only open a certain amount. But I'll show you guys when it gets done. All right, we are painting the second one now. My neighbor came over earlier and said that painting is therapeutic, and I said, well, let me be your therapist and give you a paintbrush. She didn't take me up on that offer. I do not like to paint. I don't mind drawing. I don't mind even coloring. But I do not like to paint. Like walls or material or anything like that. Never have. I tell you what's therapeutic to me is actually gardening. But we're about half done with the second one. And so it should go pretty quick. Okay, I got this side of it done. Gotta let it dry. I may not get to the other side today. I'll finish it tomorrow though. We'll be done with it tomorrow, and then hopefully get the legs on it. The other one's laying over there waiting for the legs. I'm not sure when my buddy Van, if he'll be back today to do it or not, but we'll see. So that's where we're sitting at right now. Guys, that's all I've got for you today. We will pick this up again on the next video. So thank you for hanging out with me. This project's going to take, a while because I'm putting it together. I'm trying to get stuff as inexpensive as I can get. So this is a long-term project, but we'll be working on it together. Thanks again for being here. You guys take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. Peace out.